National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and central Texas, east central Bosque County and central Texas, southern Hill County and central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Lake Whitney State Park, or 10 miles northeast of Clifton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, West, Whitney, Hubbard, Benham, Lake Whitney State Park, Golson, Abbott, Leroy, Mount Calm, Ross, Malone, Vanellope, and Aquila. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 344 and 364. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast.